Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins. So today I'm so excited. You have no idea. I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing the palette bingo along with a few of my friends that I'm already collaborating with them on our project pan for 2020. I'm going to leave our playlist link down below in the description and in the comments. For a while I'd been talking about wanting to do one, and the ladies in my opinion are pros at these as they've done several already. And a couple weeks ago we also did the palette tag, so I'll link that video up above as well, and I think we have a playlist as well, so I'll link both of them. I'm so glad that the ladies and I decided to do another collaboration. I've always wanted to do the palette bingo. I just honestly I didn't know how it worked or anything like that, and they thankfully explained to me. So we decided to do a palette with 18 pans, so a larger palette, and we're gonna each pick 5 random numbers, you guys. I'll be showing you guys right now what the number generator threw out at me, which mine, again, we said it was going to be an 18 pan eyeshadow, and actually my palette tag, I had brought out how the Glitterrealm Cosmetics Summerita Palette, I have Luna Vega palette, and my other pro palette. I had mentioned how it's my largest palette and I haven't used them in so long, but they have incredible quality. So I decided for this, since it's an 18 pan, because I could have done the Jeffrey, you know, easy or whatever, but I want to show some love to some indie brands that I do love and appreciate, which Glitterrealm is one of them. So here are all the shades, and again, the numbers that I got were 10, 14, 11, 6, and 1. And it goes from 1 to 6, 7, 12, 13 to 18. So I'm going to swatch them on my arm so I can show you the color story. So the first one is that purplish blue shimmer, then the orange pinky coral tone, now the green shimmer, next is the brown shade, brown matte, which I did do a double swipe because I have a little bit of hair in that part of my arm, and then the beautiful golden shimmer as well. So here are the 5 shades that the random generator selected for me. I definitely have to say this is a very unique color story. I have 2 mattes and 3 shimmers, you guys, so this will definitely be an interesting look nonetheless, but I definitely have to say it's workable. I could definitely do something with it. I'm very excited to see what look I'll come up with this right here. I'm very excited, very scared. But before I go any further, I would greatly appreciate if you guys could hit that subscribe button, and hopefully if you do love my videos and my content, I would love if you can hit that notification bell. This way you do not miss any future uploads coming forward. I should be picking up my schedule here very soon. But anyways, let's get to it and let's begin the tutorial. So I'm going in with the orange pinky tone, coral tone, and as you can see, I'm starting from the inner corner and blending out about 2/3. As a FYI, I've already applied my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas as my base before filming, and I'm going in very light-handed. This way, 1, I have no possible fallout, and 2, the colors are pretty dark and pigmented, so I wanted to make sure that it started off light and I have more control. Now I'm going in with the brown matte, and I'm using that on the outer corner, and I'm using more of a patting and blending in motion because I want to keep it on the outer corner area. I do take it in lightly a bit just so that it, you know, blends in with my crease area, and I do take it slightly above my crease just again to help out the blend. So I'm going back to that orangey pink tone, and I'm actually just blending everything out. I didn't really use much product. I just want to make sure, again, everything stays nice and smooth and the transitions, you know, don't get muddy. Now I'm taking the purple blue shimmer and I'm applying a little bit of setting spray, which is the Laura Geller. I got that in my Ipsy bag if you're wondering. And I'm just lightly tapping and kind of feathering it out just a bit. As you can tell, I got a little bit too much and it went above my crease. But I'm just going to build it up until I get it to the intensity I'm looking for. And again, I'm just keeping it in the center portion, kind of like a halo effect. Now with the crease brush, I'm taking that beautiful golden shimmer and I'm just popping that on the inner portion of my crease, and I'm just lightly blending it into the purple with not going too far in. And I'm gonna build it up until I get it to the intensity I'm happy with. I did take off any fallout because I forgot to tap off my brush. So now back to the brown matte. I just wanted to add back a little bit more color because I realized it was a little bit too light for my taste and I wanted more of a contrast. Now back to the orangey coral tone, and again just buffing and blending. And for my brow bow, back with that beautiful golden shade. It's just so pretty. Now I'm taking the lime green liner from LA Girl. I'm just running it lightly in my waterline because for my lower lash line, I'm taking that beautiful green shimmer and running it with the pencil brush. It's an angled pencil brush, and just buffing it in. And I actually took it like 2/3. There's a little bit that is left because I'm going to apply some shimmer to it, the golden shimmer. Now back to that pinky coral shade. I used that to buff out the shimmer just so that it looked a little bit softer, which it really didn't show up anyways because of my skin tone. So, oh well. Back to the golden shimmer, as I mentioned, I'm popping that into the inner corner and lightly taking it to the bottom lash line as well, just so that it finishes the connection. And I ended up touching up my inner corner as well. Now I'm taking my Hank & Henry Slick With It Blickety Black liner, and I'm just doing a thin little line for my lashes, you guys. Once I'm done with the liner, I'm getting off camera and putting my lashes, which I use the Kiss Lash in Little Black Dress. Now for the lips. I'm using my Gerard Cosmetics Melrose Place as always because it's one of my favorite pencil liners colors actually at the moment. And next I'm going to move into the new lipstick I got in my Ipsy bag, which was the Il Maquillage. I think it's called Ultimate or Nude, I already forgot, but this matte lipstick was bomb. Alright you guys, and I'm officially done. Again, as a reminder, here are the 5 colors which I started off with. What do you guys think of the look? I'm pleasantly surprised of how it came out. Somehow I kind of made it work, you know. These shades are definitely on the darker realm, so typically I would have been very scared, but as you saw, I was going in very light-handed for first I know these shadows are pigmented. Like if I had gone in ham, it would be pigmented second. I didn't want to have fallout since my base was done as well, and I didn't want to, you know, make a super long video. So I'm very pleased with how everything came out. Everything's very soft and nice. Everything layered great without me having to do a cut crease. Like this transition is so cool in my opinion. Like I could have, you know, done the purple shimmer all the way down, but I just like that little subtle contrast. Like it's tripping out my eyes, honestly. And as you saw lately, I've been obsessed with these lashes, the Kiss lashes named Little Black Dress. They're so nice and just a nice little subtle lash if I need to leave the house, which I have to after this video is done. I can easily leave and look not like boom, you know. Let me know, what do you guys think of the look? Did you guys like how it came out? Have you guys tried doing the palette bingo on your own? Would you love to do a palette bingo? I'm really excited and would love to do another one, but I would like to do a collaboration maybe with a few more friends here on YouTube. So let me know in the comments below. Honestly, you guys, I love doing collaborations. It's a way to meet new friends. Sometimes I've met so many other amazing people, YouTubers, moms on YouTube doing collaborations. So I'm very thankful for that, and that's why I love doing collaborations in all honesty. So again, if you guys are up for it and would love to do another challenge video, let your girl know and we could do a part 2. And if you haven't done so, I'd appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel and hopefully smash that like button. And again, make sure to check the other ladies' palette bingo. I'm pretty sure theirs are going to be so much more detailed than mine. I'm probably the novice out of the group when it comes to makeup. In fact, there's a MUA in the group, Laura. So definitely check them out. Again, playlist will be linked down below. Also placed Glitterrealm Cosmetics website. I'm not affiliated to them whatsoever. I'm just a supporter and I love the brand. I've purchased a lot over the last year. So if you guys would like to check them out, again, it's an indie brand, woman-owned, black-owned brand as well. Check them out, and they're about to launch a skincare line too, so I'm pretty excited to try that out as well. But they have some good stuff. So yeah, thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Have a beautiful day, a beautiful night, whatever time it is for you at this time that you're watching. Goodbye.